Recalls and audits aren't anything anybody wants to deal with. They are time consuming, they are expensive, they are risky, and if they go badly, they can put you out of business. Being able to do a mock recall quickly and efficiently gives you peace of mind. Inecta Food has built-in FSMA-compatible traceability that lets you see full forward and backward lot detail level traceability through your entire product lifecycle. If you're notified by a vendor that they're doing a recall, you can very easily just pop that lot number into the Inecta Food system and you can see in detail everything that you made from that vendor's lot. You can see what you still have in your facility, if anything. You can see what you consumed into other products. You can see what's still in your warehouse in the form of finished goods. You can see what's already been sold to your customers. All of that in detail you can see in 2 minutes or less. If you're notified by a customer that something you sold them has been contaminated, then you can very easily take that information and trace it the opposite way. And you can see for that lot or lots that the customer has concerns about, you can see what machines it was made on, you can see when it was processed, you can see what vendors the raw materials came from, where the packing materials came from at a lot level. And you can see that all quickly and easily on our lot traceability screen in Inecta Food. Now, let's see a mock recall example in 5 minutes or less.
For FSMA reporting, when you need to get a trace on a lot, what you need to do is come in to lot tracing, come in here, and then you're going to select your item. In this case, I'm going to select this yellowfin tuna, and then you would select the lot. So here, I'm going to select this one since it's my only lot in this environment. And then after that, I'm going to hit refresh lot tracing details. And as you can see, it has now populated information down below telling me about what has occurred. It includes vendor address information and things like that. From there, what I can do is I can hit export lot trace detail. It'll ask me if I want to filter at all. If I hit OK, and now you can see it came in as a download. Now, when I open up this Excel that I downloaded, I have a lot tracing report that works for what is required by the FDA for FSMA reporting.
Inecta Food can't make audits and recalls never happen, but we can help protect your business. If you would like to feel better about your ability to handle recalls and audits, contact Inecta.